As much as the Insta360 X4 is a super versatile camera able to capture in various different ways and scenarios, it can still suffer from one issue that we typically find with most action cameras that pack so much power into a small physical frame: overheating. Although we can avoid such issues quite easily with these handy tips. The Insta360 X4 is a powerful camera that's contained within a compact waterproof body, and as much as we love compact and waterproofness when it comes to cameras like this, it means it's harder for heat to escape that sealed, physically tight body. Capturing at such high resolutions and frame rates means heat from the chipset is inevitable. It's working hard to deliver high performance, and heat is just part of the parcel when it comes to such power. Other factors, such as using the camera in strong sunlight, high ambient temperatures, or even continuous use on external power, all add to heat generation. When thresholds are reached, though, the camera intelligently shuts down in order to protect its components and remain safe, saying that, in typical usage, even at those higher settings, when capturing using the internal battery, most will never experience any overheating at all. The X4's ribbed design helps to dissipate some of the heat regardless, and you can typically record for 30 to 40 minutes at the highest settings without noticing any issues. In fact, you'll be able to capture hours of stunning footage with some planning. Personally, I've never experienced any overheating issues whatsoever with the X4. None. Of course, you can reduce your capture settings, which won't push the chipset so hard, and in turn this will produce less heat. Although if you're like me, you'll naturally want to capture that one-time shot at the highest quality, giving you the best possible baseline for project creation later. So follow these steps and you'll be shooting without worry in no time. We'll start with planning your shots. I rarely start shooting and let it shoot for hours on end. You'll end up with tons of footage and spend a lot of time going through it all looking for the best shots. Instead, I try to plan my shots, taking shorter clips as and where I need to. It's actually quite rare for me to shoot more than 20 minutes in a single capture. Not only does this mean the camera never heats up to the stage where it needs to intelligently shut down in the first instance, it also means I can stop shooting and give the camera time to cool a little between shots, which is equally as important. Also, if you can, avoid placing the camera in a static position under direct sunlight. Of course, this will heat up the camera, and with the camera producing its own heat, you'll be adding extra heat from the sun unnecessarily. If you do need to do this, again give the camera some cool down periods if possible, and you can also remove the battery and record only using an external power source. The battery is a source of heat, so removing it removes one source of heat and will help the camera run cooler for longer. Finally, do bear in mind the X4 isn't a camera that's really designed to be used handheld. Using it with mounts, selfie sticks and other accessories means you're not adding heat from your hands, and also means the camera can cool down from movement with some airflow. Airflow is very important when capturing with any action camera, and this will make a massive difference when it comes to avoiding overheating. In essence, most will probably never experience the X4 overheating. I certainly haven't in all my time using the camera, since it's a camera that's rarely handheld. Most use it on helmet mounts, selfie sticks, or on tripods for instance, where it's subject to some airflow, so overheating really isn't a significant issue in most cases. It's all about understanding how to use the camera effectively to get the best results, although if you're one of the few having such problems, follow the tips mentioned in the video and stay creative.